Hey guys. Okay, so we're gonna go to the store. And since we told you the last time, our Jackery. One moment. Hey, excuse me. What do you guys say?
What's up? We're good, but yeah.
Okay, because we're about to go to the store and set up the food and we're gonna drive around and give people the food like
I'm actually heading down to the sheriff's station. We'll be hanging out down there. You know where the sheriff's station's at?
yeah, I do.
We'll be hanging out down there.
Cool. All right, thank you.
Thank you, darling.
No problem. All right, perfect. So, yeah. So, like I said, I want to cook myself, you know. But the Jackery, our generator is not strong enough for my Instapot or anything big I can plug. And if I cook on the stove, it's not. Because when I cook, I want to be enough. So I want something big. I can cook big and spread around. So in the meanwhile, we're about to go to the store and we got some bowls here.
Containers, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna plate them and we're gonna pass them out. We're thinking of getting the chicken that's already cooked, and they sell, you know, mashed potatoes and stuff like that at the store. So I think we're gonna get that, cut it into pieces, plate it here, drive around, and pass them out. So, and then we gotta get ice for the drinks, and so that's what we about to do right now. Okay, so see you in a couple. All right, guys. So we're here at Market Basket. And we gotta go shopping. Let's go.
How do what? This side?
This is where the meat is, right?
Yeah.
Since we rarely come here, I don't. Before you take the cart all the way, they're always smooth. So I look at the wheel. Look at this wheel. See how it looks new? That's what you gotta look for. Look at this one. See that? Nope. Unless you want to go around this point. Look at you. There we go. Nice and smooth. Let's go. We always got good music, so I love to sing in there.
So we came to the store. We just picked these up. They're all fresh, just made. So we're all gonna cut these because remember our Jackery does not hold the Instapot and the watch that we have. So we're having the lady here heat up some mashed potatoes for us, so everything is nice and hot. So that's what we're trying to give them today. Nice hot meals. But we'll let you guys know and see the process soon. Right there. Setting up the mashed potatoes.
All right, I'll go heat these up.
Okay. She's
Thank
gonna
you.
heat it up for us.
Nice fresh mashed potatoes over there. And heat them up first, right? See? They're all fresh. Fresh mashed potato right here. Alright, so they're gonna have a slice of this bread with the meal.
I got the wheat and the regular. But I can slice of bread with it. And then I got the whole bunch of these. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not, but I think I could. We're good.
Well, yeah, it goes with the meals that you buy here. And ice for the drinks that they're gonna get.
So I asked the lady for this box, but I don't want to put it there, so I'll at least put the bread here to keep it from falling. Hot.
I left a little air pocket just to
Oh, okay. All right, Mama. Thank you so much.
you're
Have a
welcome.
good day. Thank you. All right, so let's go. Grab me like 3 more folks, just in case. 3 more. Too many people are as nice as you. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, don't come with 13. She won't take it. Anywho, hey.
She knows how to get her way.
Hey. Oh. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you. We never know. it could be us one day. You understand? That's true. Yeah. She saw all these forks and she said, "Yeah, come on." Yeah. You already know what before. Yeah. We try, you know. Bye, baby. Baby, don't miss the eye. Qué linda, eh? So cute. It's a beautiful day today. We was at work and we said, you know what? Let's stop and let's do this. It's a beautiful day. So, yeah.
Mama, if you give me them boxes, you put them back.
Oh, yeah.
So we out.
All right, so we'll find a nice spot to set it up. Maybe across. We can go across and set it up, yeah. Where do we park? All right, so we will park on the other side of Market Basket. I don't want to talk like that. That's how I am. Yeah. So let's get to it. Maybe, because I'm going to need that table.
The truck because it got windy. Maybe this way would be better.
All right.
Everything's ready?
I just had the knife in my hand, and here we go. You guys already know. Somebody told me to oil this part. Should I just cut it here so I don't make a big old mess? Probably not. Let me take it off. All right, you take this part off. Yeah. Let me get a. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get gloves. Oh, I wish I had gotten a scoop for that. All right, open it up. And then on the side, you could put a, this on it because, put a piece of bread on the side. And then close it up. I hope everybody likes gravy because, of course, I'm putting gravy on everybody's. All right, the bag is right here. Maybe we should take that off the way. Move this. Take that right here. Put it in. All right. Maybe we should just take them all out, make it easier and faster. Oh, I have one there. I didn't know I had one there. Okay. Sorry. all dirty. You can put the bread like this way, over the meat, because they don't have the gravy. I'm trying to cut it fancy, guys, but yeah, no. Because what it is, I cook. I'm not usually the server, so yeah. That's all. Boom, pick up the meat. I don't want to touch the plate and dirty it. Let me get a paper towel. Okay, guys, everything's all set. Everything is packed. Now I'm gonna clean up and ready to roll. So we'll catch you in a bit. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go and head out and pass the food out now that it's plated.
It's hot.
It is hot today.
Our destination, right around the corner from the store. We saw a few hanging there when we got here, so
I'm gonna
let's
start
hope they're
there.
still there. All right, let's go. Over there. They moved to the other side.
Okay, so we'll
So
go over
let's
there
see.
after.
¿Cómo estás? I knew I recognized you. I'm like, oh, I'm looking. I recognize you. You good? ¿Está bien? I'll make sure I go that way. Let's see this guy. I always see him on the floor all day. Hey. Good, how are you? You guys hungry? Of course, he wouldn't go without. 6 of them. Okay? Yeah. No, you was the one who grabbed it.
You told me 6.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I thought it was 6. Well, she's in a diet, but I give her wheat bread. That's wheat bread. All right, you guys. And she gave you a, yeah. God bless you guys, okay? God bless you guys. No problem. No problem. We only live one life. Man live. Huh? Of course, of course, of course. We can use all the help we can.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, guys. Listen, eat. No need to be in a diet. Eat. Man, I love eating. Love it.
We just handed out the rest of it.
Was that the rest, or we got
Actually, I think we have a few more left.
All right, let's
We have a few more left.
Hold on.
All right, guys. We have one more meal left.
One more meal. Thank you, Jesus. That is great. That is great.
So we're heading down Main Street.
All right, let's see.
See if we can find one more person that we can give it to.